Hey everybody, Steve from Resale Dojo back, and today I'm here to do part 2 of our How to Sell DVD series. In today's video, I'm going to get you guys ready to scan your DVDs once you get into the store by using the eBay app. This is going to help you guys understand what comps are and be able to see what sell-through rates are. Now let's get started right now. I got my eBay app open, and we're going to scan through some DVDs and just show you guys what I do when I'm in the store. So the first one that I got here is Prison Break Season 4. You'll see Prison Breaks all the time out there. Just common series. Now what I'm going to do next is hit the search at the bottom. And you're going to see up there, you could say search for anything. Or you can hit the little, there's going to be a little camera button there. And you can push that to scan and scan the barcode. That's going to be the easiest way for you guys to get through as many DVDs as possible. So you hit that up. You see it brings up this little barcode scanner. You put it underneath. And look at that. It already brought it all up. Now once you have this brought up, these are going to be what are the ones that are being sold at this moment, right? So these are the ones that are available for sale by your competitors. Now what I usually do is I'll just scroll through these a little bit and kind of see what they're pricing at, just to get an idea. If I saw everything sitting in here for like $5, I'd put this right back, because that's not going to be worth it, because you're going to take out your cost of shipping, which is $2.80 for media mail, and you're probably, with fees and whatever you're going to pay for this, you're already negative. But since I see a bunch of double-digit stuff in here, and a lot of them being sold, I'm going to go and hit filter. And this is going to be how we look for solds. You go down here, and what you're going to want to hit is sold items. You hit that, and it says down at the bottom, it shows 51 results. You hit that. And now you get to see your results that you have here. So as you can see, it's kind of all over the place, but what I want to do first is hit this sort button at the top to make it easier for me to see what the recent solds are. So you select the end date recent solds, and now you can see what they're selling for. And actually, if you look at the third one here, the one that's for $14.95, that is the one that I just scanned. That one I sold today, and I'm going to be shipping out today as well. As you can see, they're all over the place. And for me, I knew this series would eventually sell at the price that I wanted. You could see there's one for $14.99 plus $4.99 shipping. I think that one they had as like new in there. A bunch of pre-owns. So I set my price at $14.95. I knew from selling the series before that I could get my price. You can even see someone sold the series a day after me, and they sold it for around the same price as well. So once you start looking at these, you can see where you're going to be able to price in the market, and really it's up to you and your business strategy of how you want to price. Do you want to be the first one out, which means you're going to be the first one sold? It means you're going to have to price a little more towards the bottom, or you're going to be able to wait it out a little bit. Now myself, since I'm a high volume seller, but I also have a lot of feedback on there as well, and I got 100% feedback for over 2,000 feedbacks on there, I wait it out a little bit more. I tend to price them up a little bit more because I let my reputation help sell it. From especially new buyers, they'll see me with a higher feedback score, and they'll want to buy from me and be willing to pay up. Now for you, it just depends on what your business model is and how quick you want to flip it. Now let's look at one more DVD and see, let's go through this process again. So the next one we're going to look at is Forever Knight. This is an old DVD series. So I'm going to scan in this new DVD for us. Pull it up, put it on a scanner. And as you can see at the bottom, it says there's 5 results for this DVD, which means not much competition for it. at least for what's currently being offered and what has been listed under the barcode, which is generally what I'll look for. I'm going to go and look at sold items, and you can see the recent ones there. I'm going to sort it. As you can see, the top one there is actually mine. That's the one that sold today. That will be going out. And you see, I priced it up compared to where some other people were, right around where that comp was about a month ago. You see, they don't sell very often, but they do sell a lot. So there were 5 listed, and there are 11 results. So you know it's going to sell through pretty quickly if you get this at a good price. I think I got mine for $4 or $5. And I knew that I was going to be able to flip it at a decent price, and I could just wait it out since there's only 5 out there and the demand was 11. So that is an awesome sell-through rate when you could see that twice as many are selling that are currently listed out there. Now, another way to search is to go in there and type in the name in case you can't scan the barcode, or maybe sometimes there's stickers on there. So I'm going to type in the name here for the one we just looked up, just Forever Knight. And it even pulls up their DVD and Blu-ray series. And this one was part 3. I put a little bit of a description in there because different seasons or different parts are going to sell better for you or worse. And then let's look for solds. So you're going to start to get, when you're not scanning the barcode, you're going to start to get other pieces in here. So you can see someone sold a set in there as well, but you are still pulling up a bunch of solds that are there. You're going to see ones that are also in the series but don't match what you had. So you could see some of the ones part 2's not selling as good, right? So in these, always usually the later part or the later season is going to sell the best when it comes to it. So make sure if you're brand new to selling DVDs that you check different seasons within a series, because season 1 usually is not going to be the highest price. It's usually be the lowest price, and then the last season or the later season are going to be the ones where you're going to be able to make the money, because not as many people bought those, and so they're going to be harder to find. So I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough of how to use the eBay app. This is going to prepare you guys for going to the stores and scanning a bunch of DVDs. Now, if you're a little bit scared about doing that, my next episode in this series is going to be how to read the racks once you get in there, and just prepare you guys for going through the racks, what to look for, and how I scan for efficiency. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more of my DVD series, make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you'll get notified when they come out. In the meantime, thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.